Welcome to Talk with FS, where we make it simple to every trader around the world and where we teach you how to make money on your own without stress. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. God bless you.
So, good evening and welcome to Talk with FS. Today we'll be looking at lot size. We discussed about lot size and we said we have different type of lot size on different account size. We have nano, which is from $100 to $900, and we said on 100 we should use more than 0.01. On 200, 0.02, depending on your account. We have micro account, which is 1,000, 0.1. Then from 1,000 to 9,000 is micro account. And from mini is from 10,000 to 90,000, where we use 1.0 on 10,000, 20,000, 2.0, on and on. And we have standard account, which is 100,000. We use 10.0 on as a minimum on it. And we discuss about leverage as a borrow fund that the broker provides for you to leverage on for you to have to maximize it to be in a good profit. And it can as well be a amplify both to profit and losses. And we discuss about the best leverage to use as a trader is 1:100 or 1:200. And if you are that greedy, you shouldn't use more than 1:500. Risk reward ratio, we said that some people are willing to risk $1 to get $1. Some people are risking $2 to get $1, while some people are risking $1 to get $2. So, and we said as time goes on, you will see yourself as risking less and making more, which is 1:2. Now, today, we want to talk about formula for setting take profit and stop loss. Formula for setting take profit and stop loss. Now, on this, we have a case of buy scenario and also for sell scenario. What it means is that for any trade you pick on a buy, there is always a way to calculate their stop loss and their take profit. Now, to calculate for buy scenario, your TP, which is the take profit, is equal to CMP, current market price, plus any desired pips. But in this case, we are using example of 30 pips. Then your stop loss is going to be CMP minus 50 pips with your desired pips, minus either 50 pips or you desire to use lesser than 50 pips. Okay. Why for sell scenario? For sell scenario, you are using your TP. Your TP is equal to CMP, which is the current market price, minus your desired profit. But in this case, we are using 30 pips, and stop loss is CMP plus 50 pips, and it might not be that you want to use your desired pip sharp, you place it there. Now, this is how we calculate our stop loss. Now, let's look at a particular trade. Let's place a trade now on our demo. Let's place a trade Now, on AUDCHF, we want to say, okay, let's place a trade on a sell direction that you are placing sell. When you place sell, you come to this place. This is the trade that we just placed. The date is written there. The type of trade we pick sell, and the lot size is 0.08. On which pair? On USD CHF. At what price do we enter? We enter at 0.8665, which is the current market price. This is the CMP. This is the lot size. Then this is where we are to put in our stop loss, and this is where we are supposed to put our profit. Now, this is the price at which the market is presently in the market. Present price. Present price in the market. So that is what this belongs to. Now, in as much that we have gotten this, the question is, what is the scenario that we are dealing with on this USDCHF now? We are going on a sell. And what is the formula for sell scenario? We said formula for sell scenario,
price minus,
which is, it means that for our TP is equal to what? Current
price
market price minus what? Our desire.
Right.
Let's say we are using 30 pips stop loss.
Okay.
And sorry, we are taking 30 pips profit. Then our stop loss is going to be what? CMP plus, let's say we are using 20 pips.
Okay.
Now, what is the current market price? CMP. Our CMP is what? Is
8665.
8665. So we don't need that 0 because it's a pipette. Then minus 30 pips. So 0 from 5, it will be what?
As 8635.
3 minus this. So then we have known our what?
The profit.
TP. Then our stop loss is going to be what?
Our stop loss is going to be
0.8665 plus
20. Sorry.
plus 20.
8685.
0.8685.
Yes, 8685.
So this is our SL. After calculating this, then we'll come to this place where they wrote SL. We'll come there we'll click it twice. After clicking it twice, this will display. When this display, you will punch there is 0.8685. Then our TP is 0.8635. You can see that this thing is highlighted.
Yes.
Assuming what we are typing is wrong, it will not come up. Let's say we type you can see that it didn't come up because what we type in there is wrong. Then that tells us that we should check our what?
Stop loss.
Stop loss or take profit, either of the two, that there is an error there. We should check it. Then we will now come there. Oh, I press 7 instead of 8. Then you modify. You can see that it's already inside there. Then we can see we have been able to put our stop loss and our take profit. What does this mean? It means that we can go anywhere to go and do anything, to go and play, to go and catch fun with our relatives, with our friends, with our loved ones, without being panicked. Because we already know that we are risking for our stop loss. What we risk is that 20 pips, and our loss size is 0.08 multiplied by what? 10 is equal to what? So meaning that anything, we already know that this trade will not take more than this particular amount from us. It will not take more than $16 if it goes against us. So since we already know that it is $16 that it will take from us, we don't need to do what? We don't need to panic. There is no need for panic. We are just to walk away from the system, go and do whatsoever we want to do, and be cool. Do we get it?
Yes.
So that is what we should always focus on as a trader. We shouldn't be trading under stress. We shouldn't be panicked because we've already known what we are already risking. So meaning that if this trade goes to our direction, that we say 30 pips times 0.08 times 10, we are expecting what?
A profit.
We are expecting 30 times 0.08 times 10. So we are expecting $24. So we are risking $16 to make what? $24. We are risking this to make this. So don't let us be trading under panic. So now we understood that.
Thank you for watching our video. I believe you are blessed and you enjoy yourself. And for you to enjoy more of our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And please make sure you watch the next video for you to have more broad knowledge. Till I come your way, remain blessed.